like many men over 60, we suffer from an enlarged prostate gland.
Cut. Not prostate. Prostrate.
Prostrate. That's different.
Okay, let's stay on the script, guys. Please. The Spanner commercial. Take 148. Action.
Hello, I'm Arnold Jernigan Sr.
And I'm all barefoot.
R.
That's right. Rusty Rail. What?
Rusty Ray.
Rusty Ray Barefoot. That's my full name.
Well, then I'm changing mine too. Hello, I'm Emperor Arnold Jernigan the First.
Cut.
What? This looks like a men's nether region.
Never seen that before?
Well, I guess we ought to tell them what the Spanner does not prevent you from doing.
Wrestling.
Well, I guess you could call it that.
The Spanner, keep on wrestling.
The Spanner, liberation in your nation.
The Spanner, pit like a racehorse.
The Spanner, pee like a team.
The Spanner, what's that noise? Oh, that's me peeing.
The Spanner, say goodbye to a weak stream and hello to a laser beam.
No.
Big.
Pee so big it hurts.
The Spanner, improve your life in market territory.